Established in 1982, Dyi Er Kang Enterprise Company Limited is a professional plastic injection molding factory that specializes in manufacturing customized plastic buckles, cord locks, pullers, and snap buttons for luggage bags, backpacks, sport bags, RTW clothes, shoes, garments, stationery, and medical products. Our branch office is in Taipei County in order to provide better services to local and overseas clients. Research and development, production and marketing are all fully optimized. Complete production management and all molds are self-manufactured to reduce the cost for customers. Our products are divided into buckle series, cord locks, snap buttons, and more. With over 2,000 colors for customers to choose from. Customers can offer Pantone number to verify the colors, and suggested colors and patterns will be made for famous names like Kappa, Jack Wolfskin, Tagos, Reebok, and One, Champion, New Balance, and more. Dyi Er Kang Enterprise Company Limited has strict quality control systems that ensure high quality and include feeding examination of injection machine, baking raw materials. Company uses only raw materials that have passed SGS non-poison certification. Mold treatment, cooling water cycle, compressor automation. Operators only need to add raw materials. Buckle wagging separation of wastes and finished goods. Check transfer form. Finished product quality examination. Appearance, color and size. Packaging product quality examination. Appearance and color. And final shipping. We have constructed a complete quality control system in each stage of the production process, from incoming quality control, in-process quality control, to final quality control, to ensure product quality and manage product reliability through life testing. Dyi Er Kang Enterprise Company Limited continually innovates to obtain the latest technology and retain a strong R&D team to ensure efficient productivity, high quality, and the best possible price for customers to create a stable growth and a bright future for all.